How to update Slack app. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to update it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile phone, just like this. After that, tap onto the search bar and simply type Slack and open it. After that, you will find something like this. Then to update it, here you can find the open button. So there will be the update version instead of the open, and simply tap on it. And after updating it, your app will be updated. And that's it. This is how you can update Slack app. It is a very easy process, right? Now after updating it, you will simply get new features onto your application. Now enjoy using the Slack app on your newer version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.